consistent with their practice. They just want to speak in English, but they try at least 1 or 2 days to speaking in English, but after that they come to their mother tongue. So it
Yes.
happens with many people. So that's the reason that they can't understand or they can't able to speak in English. But if you really want to speak in English, then definitely you should prepare your mind that no, you have to be learn and you have to be speak. And most of the people do they listen many of the things in English, but they don't speak in actual. So that's the reason they lack.
I think that's why you should, everyone should make one, at least YouTube channel or Facebook page. You should make video. When you stop, I think this channel, this page will help you to also motivate you. Please keep
Mhm.
continue your making videos, something like that. That's why it's also another reason to make video for my channel. And
Yeah.
I would like to inform you, now my subscriber, I think 970. I think within 1 or 2 days I will get 1K subscriber. I think
That's
it
great.
will
That's
be
great.
helpful to continue my journey. And I would
Mm.
like to share you the also others thing. My one video already reached 7.5K. And
Mhm.
after 15 days ago, in every day, just for 4 days, every day
Mhm.
I had got uh, I got every day 70 to 80 subscribers, and every day
Okay.
more than 2.5K views. But after that, now it's down. Now the view is down. That's why sometimes we feel demotivated when view increasing, after that decreasing. It's a difficult. It's a, I think, demotivating thing.
Mhm.
But we should keep continue. And thank you so much for create such opportunity to help others people. you know I don't know how much you are experienced, but most of the people, they are searching someone to practice, to say practice themselves. And when someone beginner, when they get chance to make video with you, I think they feel motivated, and it will be helpful to keep continue their journey.
Yeah, definitely. Because most of the people don't get the people they want to speak. So if we are available for them, so definitely they feel very good. Like yeah, we are getting the people whom we can talk. So yeah, definitely it's a good.
And I rejected from my family, my friends, my colleague, my most of the people rejected me. When I would say about, they always rejected me. They always like, oh, you don't you will not able to speak in English. As a beginner, I'm so lucky. I'm now at least able to communicate with others people in English. I am understanding you. Sometimes
Mhm.
I don't have vocabulary knowledge, and I don't have enough practice. That's why I can't describe the whole thing. If you ask me, please say something, how to improve, how to start a journey, I will able to share my feeling, because I am used to say about this types of topic.
Yes.
And
So yeah, it happens. If you have to talk in any particular topic and you don't have the enough content, then definitely everyone will stuck here. So if you are aware about the content, what you have to say on the particular topic, so definitely you can speak on that. Yeah, and it will happen with many people. If I'll say any of the topic with you and you are not aware with the topic, then definitely you will stuck or you will not get the word what I have to say. So yeah, it happens if you don't aware about the content. But if it is a general conversation or if I'm asking any general thing and you are already aware, then definitely you can express those in English.
yes, I got your point. Now, okay. My question is how people, most the most most of the time we face this problem, like when we start every day we search why I am not speaking like this guy or this YouTuber, this
Yes.
teacher every day. And also that time we feel demotivated. I am why I'm not like fluent, much fluent. I want, oh, and also we thought our sentence making is so low quality, it's not enough. The people when I will speak with others, they don't, they will not feel good or something like that, and after some days, few days, we stop our journey. Now my question is, uh, if someone want to start their spoken English journey, what should they do?
Okay, if anyone is beginner and they want to learn English and they want to speak in English, so what are the things they should do? You are asking this question?
Yes.
Okay, so I will suggest that first thing you should understand some of the basic grammar. That is, you should at least you should aware about the tenses, like three tenses at least you should aware. Like what are the sentence you have to say in present and future or past tense. So you should aware about this. So because in the beginning you will lack of the helping verb, like where we have to use what helping verb and what verb we have to use. So in the beginning you will face difficulties, but if you know the basic things like what sentence is it, like it is in present continuous, sorry, is in present or in past or future. So then it would be easy for you to make the sentence. So first thing you should be basic knowledge of grammar, and yeah, so you will be able to make the sentence if you know the some of the grammar rules. So in the beginning what you have to do, just make the sentence in your mind and just talk with yourself. You know what I did in the beginning, I was not talking with other person, I was just talking with myself. Like whatever things I have to say, I just talk with myself. Like I have to do this thing, I have to go to market, so I make this sentence by myself and I talk with myself only. So I just tried this thing, and yeah, definitely it works. And when you will get the person, then definitely you can talk with them. But if you don't have any person, then you can talk with yourself also. And we have lot of things, like we have lot of contents on YouTube as well, so you just have to listen some of the things, like any of the interviews you can listen, any podcast or any of the conversation like this, so you will get the idea how you have to say. So yeah, listening first thing, and second thing is you should be aware about some grammar rule, basic rule at least, so they can start their journey like this.
Yes, I totally agree with you.